Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how we can completely uninstall Mozilla Firefox from Windows. So for it, you just need to go to the Windows search option right over here, setting. Here you can see settings, click on this. Then we'll go to the apps and here you can see install apps. So from the install apps, we need to find Mozilla Firefox. So here you can see Mozilla Firefox. So I'm going to click on this three dot and I'm going to click here uninstall, click on uninstall, and I'm going to click here next and click on uninstall. So this will uninstall Mozilla Firefox from Windows, but there will be still some file left in our Windows system for Mozilla Firefox. So for it, we can now just close this and we'll go to our folder and we'll go to our local disk. Then we'll go to our users folder. Here you can see users. Just go inside this folder and here you will see one more folder called user. So you need to go inside. So in the user folder, you need to look for app data folder. Here you can see app data. But if you do not see the app data folder, what you can do is that you can just click on view, then click on show, and here you need to select this hidden item. So once this hidden items is selected, you will see this folder called app data. So we need to go inside this app data folder, and in the app data folder here you can see local. We need to go inside local, and in this local you will find a folder called Mozilla. Even though we have uninstalled Mozilla, but there is still some files and folder left in our Windows. So we need to delete this folder from here. So after that we'll go back and this time we'll go inside the roaming folder. So let's go inside roaming folder. Let's go down and here you can see we have a Mozilla folder over here. So we need to delete this as well. So once you just delete those two folders, it means Mozilla Firefox is completely removed from your system. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.